Hey, folks, and welcome back to Glenn and Adrian's Rock Talk. That's Adrian.
And that's Glenn.
And today we're going to go back once again. I think this is the fourth video for Deep Purple. And we're going to check out a song called Mandrake Root. This particular performance is from 1970. It's the Mach 2 lineup, but this is a song that comes off their debut album, Shades of Deep Purple. Now, I've mentioned before on the channel that I did not grow up with a lot of Deep Purple experience. In fact, the only album I really knew about was Shades of Deep Purple. And I had that one. I've had this for a little while, a couple decades maybe. I like Hush. I like, actually, I really like the whole album. There's a lot of great stuff on here. Mandrake Root starts side 2. It's credited to Blackmore, Evans, and Lord. And it's a pretty heavy track.
Now, was Ian Gillan in the band yet?
This is pre-Ian Gillan. This is the first incarnation. So Ian Gillan, when he comes along, that's when it becomes Mach 2. That's when Deep Purple and rock, actually, they even did a classical album before that, but we don't get into that too much just yet because we haven't gotten to any of that material. And it's not really them as a hard rock band yet. They hadn't made that decision. So this is their first album. So their singer is Rod Evans. He did the first 3 albums, I believe. And then also Nick Simper on bass. We didn't have Roger Glover yet. So this is a good record. This is worth our time, but yeah, it's a different lineup, a different period of Purple. So, Adrian, what can you tell me about Mandrake Root?
Mandrake Root happens to be a hallucinogenic plant.
Surprise!
Used a lot in folk medicine and some pagan rituals, I guess, but mainly it was big in folk medicine. Yeah, it can cause any of a number of effects, including hallucinations.
And yeah, I believe that. I'm actually looking at a picture of it right now, and it does look kind of human.
It was named because the root kind of looks like a human form in a way. You know, it's got 2 legs, and then there's an arm on either side.
Oh man, that is wild.
That's how it usually looks.
And Mandrake Root also shows up in the Harry Potter books. Apparently, it's something that. Oh gosh, I don't know how to pronounce their names. Hermione, Harry's sidekick, Hermione Granger. She knew about it. So I don't know. It got her 10 points for Gryffindor. So anyway, very interesting. I'm not surprised at all. The reference, given the times, should be interesting. So you never heard the song before, Adrian, or you're not sure?
I haven't heard the song, I don't think.
Okay. Well, this came recommended actually from some of our viewers. So let's see what we have here.
In concert, the fantastic Deep Purple!
I don't know, man.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
A little too much destruction in the end, but I mean,
Yeah, that seemed a little
great
unnecessary.
show.
I mean, what did that guitar ever do to Richie Blackmore, you know? I mean, good grief. Poor thing. Marshall Stack never saw it coming, you know. Yeah, it was interesting that both Glover and Blackmore tended to like to use this, you know, play the strings against the Tolex on their amps, you know, like that. Interesting choices. I think if I saw somebody playing guitar like Blackmore was there, I'd be a little concerned. It's like give him a little bit of room. Okay, you just go right ahead and keep playing, you know. But overall, I think that was quite a lot of fun and definitely worth the view. No question about it.
Yeah.
That was some wild energy and very entertaining.
Yeah.
So, great choice. So we appreciate that suggestion. Folks, if you have other suggestions for us having to do with Deep Purple, please let us know. And if you liked this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoyed our presentation, please subscribe. All right. Thanks for joining us, folks. We'll catch you on the next one. All right. Take care.
See you all later.